Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a heated wire. So this one here, what it does is I have these outside. It's um, it's not cold right now, but the concept is pretty simple. I mean, it's got a self-regulating thing on it, so you could leave it up even when it's warm out. It's not always going to be on. So you plug it in, and I guess it's got a temperature-sensitive turner-oner thing. And then you use this, well, oh, I guess that's where the temperature is going to sensor right there. And you wrap it around your pipes. So you can wrap it around. I'm going to put it out there by some of the pool equipment things that aren't always flowing. Like I do have a freeze protection on part of my pool, but some of, depending on how I have the valves turned, the waterfall and things like that aren't always on in the winter time. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this around it. And then what it'll do is as it gets cool, this starts to turn itself on and it will warm it up. So how cool is that? So you got a big long cable of that, wrapping it up, comes with some heat tape on there. I actually used something like this when I was at my RV park for my sewer line and water lines, so it wouldn't freeze, so I could just keep getting water all winter long. But this is the concept here. So you plug it in, wrap it around the little valves and everything like that, and then it will turn on as it needs it. So really cool. It says you can test it in the water and stuff. But pretty straightforward there. Pretty, yeah. I mean, I've used them before. If you have insulation, you can put this on under the insulation, like the way I'll wrap it like that. But if you have like that insulation stuff, you can just do a straight line and then just wrap it around there and it'll keep it warm. So two different ways, but really cool. Nice to have this stuff. So it comes in handy for sure, especially if you're in the areas where it freezes. You don't want your pipes bursting. Thumbs up. Very good.